Hi guys, and today we have Avinandan Dev from Kusum Devi Dental College and Hospital in Kolkata, West Bengal. Thanks for joining.
Thank you for having me over, Shivam.
Okay, so there are lakhs of students who drop year after year for MBBS but fail to crack a government seat. So we will have a discussion about BDS as your bachelor's and all the career options related to it. So let's begin. Firstly, why BDS?
Well, you see, Shivam, MBBS and BDS they might seem different, but they have a lot of similarities, and in many ways, they are parallel fields. First of all, the term of the course is very similar because BDS is a 4 year academic course with 1 year of clinical internship. MBBS is a 5 year academic course. So it's overall a 5 year course. It's a UG degree that allows you the prefix of doctor. But in this regard, BDS has one advantage. They let you perform surgery straight after you get a BDS degree because surgery is taught to us in 4th year. So MBBS you might have to do an MD to get a position somewhere and actually perform surgeries, but BDS they will let you perform surgeries in your clinic after you finish your 1 year of internship. So that's a plus side. Apart from that, the the structure of the course is quite similar. The subjects taught, the yearly sequence of subjects are very similar. In first year, the normal anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, along with some dental subjects that are taught to us, dental anatomy, dental histology. Every year dental subjects are added to the subjects that are taught to the MBBS students. So in many ways, BDS is actually a more specialized form of MBBS that is oriented towards providing dental care to your patients, and you will be very well equipped to serve a certain part of the population in a very specific way if you study this course.
So now tell me about the courses one may pursue after completing their BDS degree.
Well, BDS is a quite open-ended course, which means that after completing it, there are a lot of scope for higher studies. You can do an MDS, which is a Masters in Dental Sciences. There are many fields in which you can do the masters, like orthodontics, periodontics, prosthodontics. There are a lot of fields, maxillofacial surgery, whatever you want. A lot of fields to specialize in. After that, you can do a PhD. You can join a lectureship. Apart from that, you can do a bachelor's in philosophy and go into research and work in labs. Cutting edge technology that they are developing nowadays using lasers to perform surgeries in the oral cavity, and things like tissue grafting, bone grafting, new pharma, new drugs that are being tried in the oral cavity. So there is a huge scope for research. You can complete your degrees in different subcategories, diploma degrees, and then go into those research fields. So you can do an master's in business administration, an MBA degree, and go into hospital management. So you would have a white collar job managing a dental hospital, which if you are someone like that who likes to work in a corporate environment, you might enjoy that. So there are a lot of scope for higher studies after you complete your BDS.
Okay, so definitely. Moving on to the next question, that is, what are the job opportunities after your BDS?
Well, apart from your own clinical practice, which offers a huge degree of freedom to you, at the at the risk of having to build your own enterprise, you could also join a government or private hospital as a specialized orthodontist or a periodontist or a prosthodontist. There are several specializations of dentistry. You can get very good government and private jobs. So like those jobs are for a certain few. If you're someone who is business oriented, you could go into the prospect of business in dental products that are used in clinics in daily dentistry. If you're someone who wants to work in the government sector, you could do a master's in public health and get a government job which pays very well. You could also go abroad because dentists are highly valued in countries like USA, Australia, in the Middle East. They pay you a ton of money to be a dentist.
Okay, so there's one last question which almost like everybody would have in their mind till now. That goes like, why did you on a personal level pursue BDS from a dental college, from a private dental college, rather than going outside India and pursuing MBBS from some foreign country?
Well, first of all, the prospects that BDS offers is very similar and in many ways better than MBBS. After doing an MBBS degree, which is an UG degree, you cannot directly get a job unless you do a secondary degree. So, in that regards, BDS allows you to have a business of your own. It will help you have a it will directly help you have a job after you finish your internship and apply for jobs. But if you do an MBBS degree and you are going abroad to do it, it's a considerable chunk of investment, and there is always the risk of the MBBS degrees and the medical degrees from one country not being compatible to a lot of other countries. So if you're doing a degree in one country, you are spending living costs, the logistics of living there, studying there, passing the course, the emotional drama that comes with it. So it's a huge thing that people miss when it might look like a very good prospect, and it probably is for someone who is looking for adventure. But if you're someone who looks for a certain degree of job security, well, BDS offers you a better option because straight out of internship you can apply for jobs.
Okay, so that's it for now, guys, and hope you got an idea on the scope of BDS from Avi and a detailed conversation on the life at Kusum Devi Dental College and Hospital will be revealed in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shivam.